Hi all, welcome back to the session. In previous session we completed trigonometric identities. Now we are going to start exercise 11.4. In this exercise, by using the trigonometric identities, we have to solve the given problems. See here, first one is evaluate the following. In this first bit is what? 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We have to find out this value. See here, first one is what? 1 plus tan theta. How you write this tan theta? That is tan theta equals to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Plus secant theta. How you write this secant theta? This is the multiplicative inverse of what? Cos theta. Then you write it as 1 by cos theta into 1 plus, here it is what? Cot theta. Tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta. Cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Then write it as 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Now simplify this one. Here LCM is what? Cos theta is the LCM. Now here 1 into cos theta. This is cos theta. Here it is what? Numerator is sin theta. And here we are having cos theta. In numerator this value is what? Plus 1. In the second part, here LCM is what? Sin theta is the LCM. Now here it is what? 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta plus, and second term and third term we are having sin theta. Then the numerators is what here? Plus cos theta minus 1. Now see here, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Here it is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. If you observe these two here, this is sin theta plus cos theta, and this is also sin theta plus cos theta. Take it as A, and here it is what? 1. Let it be B. If you assume these two are A, B, then it is in the form of what? A plus B into A minus B. See here, this is A plus B. Here A minus B. A plus B into A minus B equals to, already we know this, that is A square minus B square. That is, if you convert this into A plus B into A minus B form, then it is what? A square. A square means cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. This is only A square term minus B square. Minus B value is 1 here. That is 1 square by, in the denominator it is what? Cos theta into sin theta as it is. Cos theta into sin theta. It is in the form what? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. That is, if you take it as B and this is B, then A plus B whole square form. A plus B whole square formula is what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2A. If you use that identity here, then it is changed as what? First A square term. That means here cos theta whole square plus B square, that is sin theta whole square plus 2AB, that is 2 into cos theta into sin theta. 2 into cos theta into sin theta. Up to here completed. Next, minus 1 whole square means minus 1. And the denominator is as it is cos theta into sin theta. theta only. Cos theta into sin theta. Here see, cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. How you write this cos theta whole square means what? Cos square theta plus sin theta whole square. That means what? Sin square theta. Sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta, and here it is what? Minus 1 by denominator is what? Cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. Now see here. Here it is what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. That means what is the first identity? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the trigonometric identity. That is, in this place you substitute the value of 1. If you substitute this 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancelled, and here it is what? Cos theta into sin theta, and here also cos theta into sin theta. Both are cancelled. Now remaining value is what here? Only it is 2. The final answer is what here? 2. This is. Once you see here, we are evaluating this value when here it is what? 1 plus tan theta. That is, we are writing tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, and secant theta means 1 by cos theta. And here 1 plus cot theta we are writing as cos theta by sin theta, and cosecant we are writing as 1 by sin theta, because this is the multiplicative inverse of cosec theta. Now see here, this is the LCM here. Cos theta is the LCM. Now it is what? 1 into cos theta plus here it is what? Sin theta plus 1. And here it is what? Sin theta is the LCM. Now 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. If you observe these two, it is in the form of what? A plus B into A minus B. That is A square minus B square. We are using that formula. Now it is changed as what? The first one is A square. That is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus B square. B value is what? 1. 1 whole square by cos theta into sin theta. Now it is what? Again it is in the form of what? A plus B whole square. That is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now we are using that formula here. First one is what? A square. That is, this is A. Cos theta whole square. Next B square. That is sin theta whole square. Plus 2AB. That is 2 into cos theta into sin theta. And here it is what? Minus 1. And the denominator is as it is cos theta into sin theta. Now cos theta whole square means what? Cos square theta plus sin theta whole square, that is sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now already we know that trigonometric identity. This is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. By using that identity here, we are writing in this place 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta, and here it is minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Then plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled, and here it is what? Cos theta sin theta is also cancelled. Now the remaining value is what? 2. Next second bit is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. That is, here it is in the form of what? A plus B whole square. That is, this is A and this is B. And here also it is in the form of what? A minus B whole square. Already we know that A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. And A minus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square minus 2ab. By using these two here, sin theta plus cos theta whole square. That is first a plus b whole square form. A square, that is sin theta whole square plus b square. Cos theta whole square plus 2ab. That is 2 into sin theta into cos theta. This is the first term. And second term is what here? Sin theta minus cos theta whole square. A minus b whole square form. That is a square. Sin theta whole square plus b square cos theta whole square minus 2ab minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now it is what here? Sin theta whole square, that is sin square theta. Here cos theta whole square, cos square theta. Here once you see plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. These two are cancelled. Now remaining here it is what? Sin theta whole square. That is sin square theta plus cos theta whole square. This is cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already we are having the trigonometric identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. By using this identity here, have you write this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And here plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Again this total value becomes what here? 2. Next third bit is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. We have to evaluate this value. Already we know that the trigonometric identities related to these two here. What are that? That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Here we are having what? Secant square theta minus 1. Here from this identity, secant square theta, write this one to this side. Now it is secant square theta minus 1. Write this minus tan square theta to RHS side. That is secant square theta minus 1 is equals to what? Tan square theta. Next one is what? Next identity is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. From this, you write it as cosecant square theta. Write this 1 to LHS side, that is minus 1. And write this minus cot square theta to RHS side. Now it is plus cot square theta. Here we are having what? Secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Then you directly substitute the values of secant square theta minus 1 and cosecant square theta minus 1. That is these two values you substitute in the given problem. That is here. What are these values here? First, secant square theta minus 1. That is tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1. That is cot square theta. Cot square theta. Now this is what? Tan square theta. Cot square theta. Tan and cot are what? Multiplicative inverses. That is tan theta is equals to, write it as 1 by cot theta, or you can write it as tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. That is here we are having what? Cot square theta. Then you write it as 1 by tan square theta. 1 by tan square theta. That is tan square theta, 2 cancel. Now the remaining value is what here? 1. Next second one is show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. To prove this here, we are taking first LHS sign. That is LHS part is here. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now it is equals to cosec theta is right as what here? It is in the form of 1 by sin theta. That is, this is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. That's why we are writing cosec theta is as 1 by sin theta. Next here it is what? Cot theta. That is sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. That is cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Write it as cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now here take the LCM. That is the LCM is here sin theta. Now in the numerator part it is what? 1 minus cos theta whole square. That is, it is the square is having for both numerator and denominator. Now separate the square. That is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. That is, we are writing the numerator and denominator separately. Now here it is what? 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. Again, how you write this here? This is what? 1 minus cos theta whole square. Write this as it is 1 minus cos theta whole square only. And the denominator is what? Sin theta whole square. That is sin square theta. This is sin square theta. Now, here numerator is what? 1 minus cos theta whole square by denominator part is sin square theta. That is, already we know that the trigonometric identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. By using that identity, what is the value of sin square theta here? Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. That is, in this sin square theta place, write the value as 1 minus cos square theta. Now, numerator as it is 1 minus cos theta whole square, and the denominator write it as it is in the form of 1 square, and this is 1 minus cos theta whole square. I am writing this as 1 square means 1, and this is minus cos square theta. I am writing this as cos theta whole square. That is, again it is in the form of what? A square minus b square form. That is, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. By using this here, 1 minus cos theta whole square by, and the denominator part is what? This is a square and this is b square. Then how you write this? A plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. That is, here the one value means this is a and cos theta, this is b. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Now again this is what? 1 minus cos theta whole square. If you assume this total value is a, that is, it is in the form what? A square. Then how you write this? A square is equals to what? A into a. If you write like this, then it is what? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, here the denominator is as it is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. Now the remaining is here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See here 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is, this is what RHS value. Therefore, here LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to RHS part is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We will discuss the remaining problems in the next session.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.